Welcome. In front of me is an Honor X6a, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top right side of the screen. Yep, specifically right side. And this will show you a bunch of the toggles at the bottom right here. You can swipe down on them to extend the list of toggles, which will then allow you to swipe up a little bit. Now one of those toggles should be a power saving mode, which for me is located right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. This will bring up a message, power saving mode, dark mode will be enabled, autosync and some other functions will be turned off, background app activity will be restricted, and visual effects will be reduced. So we're going to select enable. You could also check the box to not show this message again. And that's all you need to do to enable your power saving mode. Now with that being said, there is one info that I'll give you that might be semi-important to some people. So most power saving modes, and even this one by the description, will be turning off Wi-Fi and mobile data when it's not being used. So when you lock it after like a couple minutes, it will just disconnect from them to preserve battery. Now this will then result in you not receiving any kind of notifications from applications that would require any kind of internet connection. And I'm not sure if this device will be reconnecting every like 10 minutes or whatever, or every hour, or maybe not at all till you wake up the device like so. So in any case, if you experience this kind of effect where you're not getting any notifications, even though you know you should be getting them, just know that this is power saving mode trying to somehow preserve battery doing so. So anyway, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once again, tapping on it once again, and this will disable it. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.